USA's been turned in a war zone. Honest people getting corrupted. Nothing surprises kids anymore. Why our friends are betraying now. The truth seems to be a lie. People faking friendship. Them want you out of your sheep. Oh Jah, what a world we are living. 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 Living in a world where blind men think them see. All them do is divide and still them think right but them are wrong. Things are getting worse, son. So very very hard to find the love, cause the one you love has been taught to hate you. Hey. So what a world we are living. What a world we are living.